Range. Hey, hello and welcome to Sunny Views. Today we are going to build a deck out of pallets and a bunch of other stuff. Say hello. Hi, that's Tina from Tina's How To's. And we have 6 by 12 footers because the width of the deck is going to be 12 feet. 12 feet would equal 3 of these wide. These are 48 by 40 pallets, so 48, 48, and 48. We're gonna lay those on right on top. Where's my hand? There it is. We're gonna lay those down this way. This way I don't have to rip all these planks up and do it the other way that the other build-it-yourself pallet people do, because I don't want to go through the labor of ripping all these pallets just to build pieces together. So I just spent maybe a couple $100 on 24 sheets to build a 12 by 10 deck. We control film. Gotta have a hoe, shovel. The pavers are for the corners where the pallets meet. Base is to secure these pavers don't sink. Nice solid base. Gotta have your drill, the pressure washer. After these are installed, we're going to pressure wash these planks and we're going to put it in this space. We're going to prep and we'll get back. Hey,
hi.
We're back. This is day 2 of our decking project. That's it there. We laid down the foundation, the bricks to hold the corners, the dry fit just to make sure everything fits right. The pallets are down. Today we're just going to attach all the pallets together and then attach the decking board to the pallets for the floor and then wrap it around with the edges, which is going to be pretty much the same decking board. Enjoy the show. Hey, lady with the long sleeves. Is it hot outside?
Yeah.
Very hot outside. All right, so this is attempt number
3.
3. All right.
Yesterday we got rained out.
Day 2 got rained out, so we didn't get very much progress. Today we're going to finish the planking part. All the pallets are attached together. And the starting points have been set up, the L shape, and then we're just gonna go from the side that you can see first, and then we're gonna go out to the side where we got some room for error, which is out there. And we have a couple kids. Say hi. Wave hi. Wave hi. Hi.
Let's do this.
All right. So remember I told you we got rained out? Well, we didn't have enough time, or should I say we didn't prep or pack away the decking boards as stacked as nicely as possible. Therefore, some of the boards got a little warped, and I'll show you. Yeah, got about 7 or 8 of them like that. Yeah, see that curve? Yeah, and then yeah. So if you're caught in this predicament and you get rained out, stack your boards good. Make sure it doesn't have that chance to warp or band it together, because then it makes it a little difficult to set them nice and straight and evenly without having to push and pry and screw them on to force it to go in there. So we're about 85% done. And of course, we're out of screws. So it's time for a break. It's still hot. Cool off, get some lunch, stop at Depot, get some more screws, get this wrapped up. So right again, we're back from Home Depot. Had to get some screws, those screws. And we had to get a sander because some of these planks didn't come out so good. And here we are. I'll open that up soon whenever I get the rest of this laid down. Almost done.
Almost.
It's still hot. And the tree had to get cut yesterday just because it was causing problems. And where they at? There they go.
One.
Cool time. Alright, we have our rigid sander. 6 inches. It's $100. I wanted to get the 5-inch one for $65, but they didn't have any of the 5-inch ones, so 6 inch it is. $100, rigid, corded. Didn't want to go cordless, corded, because you don't run out of power. Let's open this bad boy up. And I don't have any rigid batteries. So. Let's use it. pressure washed, sanded. It's got to dry up and then stain and build a gazebo and put chairs and patio set and all that other fun stuff. All right, so deck's been sanded. The sun's back out. It's a new day. We're gonna try this again. It did rain while we were off, but we did pick up our stain. Where is it? Oh, wrong side. There it is. What color is it?
Cedar and natural tone.
Cedar natural tone. It's gonna go on that. And let's put it on.
So we are officially done, as you can see. It came out really good. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put together our gazebo.
Gazebo. 10 by
Make
12.
it really pretty along. You'll see. Not gonna give too many details because you gotta like and subscribe and see part 2. Us putting the gazebo together.
Yes, thank you for watching. Thanks. Like and subscribe. See you next time.